How you doing? I got check engine light on my truck. I've been in the shop 3 or 4 times for it already.
Okay. You been losing power lately?
Yeah, going uphill. Nah.
Okay. Yeah, we'll get you right in.
All right, thanks.
Richard, we have a chronic repair.
Chronic repair?
Chronic repair!
Chronic repair! We better call somebody right now. John, we have a chronic repair down at the shop. We need all hands on deck. Transport America. Metal shop. John speaking. How may I help you? Shannon! Got a chronic repair.
Chronic repair? I gotta let the rest of the guys know. We got a chronic repair.
Chronic repair? Hey, Trey! We got a chronic repair!
Chronic repair! The chronic repair seems to be an ACM problem.
A chronic repair? A chronic repair?
We have got to get this fixed.
I have a check engine light.
Check engine light. What else can you tell me about this?
It's yellow. It looks like an engine. I've seen it before.
You've seen it before?
Yes.
Oh, that's a chronic repair there. Hold on, please.
Shop, Jason.
Jason, this is Bob. We have a chronic repair here. We need to start our chronic repair process immediately.
Chronic repair? Let me check the manual. I got this, Bob. Chronic repair!
Chronic repair!
Holy smokes! Somebody call the chronic repair slayer?
Chronic repair! I gotta tell somebody!
Walt! Hey, Walt, man, we got a chronic repair.
Oh, man. We got a chronic repair. I got another boss. Boss.
You know, old driver once said.
We got a chronic repair.
Chronic repair? Dan Baker, I don't mean to cut you off, but I gotta get this driver home. I gotta get him paid, and I gotta get him home. Oh, I gotta call somebody. I got a chronic repair.
I got a chronic repair!
Transport America now, Assistant John.
Mr. Cook, we got a chronic repair.
Chronic repair? John, we got a chronic repair. A chronic repair? Let me get on it.
Hello, Transport America. You just watched a video from the entire maintenance team telling you what our next wig is going to be. And our next wig is going after chronic repairs, keeping your drivers out of the shop with the same problems over and over again. This is an industry-wide problem in every trucking company in the U.S. We plan to fix it. We will be successful in this, and we will keep our drivers rolling. Thank you.